Let's talk about when kids run out of the classroom and what you can do about it. When kids don't have a lot of coping skills or they're not getting what they want at that moment, they will sometimes resort to what we call that fight or flight. And that flight is, I'm out of here. And they just get up and leave. They either walk out or they run out. For my littles who run out, I've got to have a plan. And that plan is going to depend on other support persons in my building. We've got to respond the same way every time. If the child runs out, we make that call. Somebody else picks up the other end. You continue to teach. If the child can't return to the classroom, which we often make the mistake of returning them way too soon. They go out, they talk to somebody, you ready to go back? Yep, they go back 5 minutes later, they run out again. What they're telling us is that they can't handle being there in the first place right now. And that may be a bigger decision that we have to make. Can this child be in this classroom first thing in the morning? Can this child be in this classroom after lunch every day? Do they actually need to be someplace else to get themselves regulated? So if it's in and out all day, that's a bigger decision a team has to sit down and make. If it's you run out of the room because for some reason something's brewing and you just don't know what to do about it, have a plan. Make that call, office, whoever, next door neighbor, so that we know where that child is and we can get them back into a better situation and keep teaching. But don't create a situation where the child is in and out, because what they're telling us is that they're not okay to be there. They're not going to be okay to be there. And no matter how many times we try to de-escalate them in a 5 or 10 minute window, they're going to get up and run out again. Thanks for watching. Remember to hit like, subscribe, and leave a comment.